Hello and welcome. So, how do you fulfill a TikTok shop order? So, it's going to be really simple. So, bear with me in this one. Go ahead and click orders, and you'll get prompted to this manage orders here, where you can see the stats, actions needed. Just familiarize all of this so that you guys won't get lost here. This is actually the orders here. Click here to create a label. So in order for the order to be fulfilled, you need to create a shipping label. And this is going to be the dimensions of the shipping label. Click this one when you're done, and you'll get the label like this. And you get to send this to your buyers or via screenshot, or you could just hand it to them directly. So here's everything you need to know, okay? And that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and you guys have a nice day.